Flir launched smart thermal sensor solution for industrial monitoring and elevated skin temperature screening. Both cameras are available with image streaming configuration or smart sensor configuration. The new series is perfect for process control and monitoring, quality assurance, condition monitoring, and early fire detection. The advanced smart sensor configuration can also be used for elevated skin temperature screening as an adjunct to other elevated body temperature screening tools. Lucid Vision Labs released new Arena SDK with enhanced features. New tools and settings help you achieve optimal imaging. The new features are histogram, line view, pixel pick, and sharpness tool. Vecow introduced a new series of PCI Express base card that integrates 10 GB LAN and Power over Ethernet Plus capability. Vecow PE 5000 series supports high-speed network connectivity and is regarded as the most cost-efficient solution on the market. Basler introduced MED feature set dust protection for the Basler MED Ace camera series. It combines sensor room sealing, clean room production and more. This solution reduces the risk of dust and other particles getting into the optical path during transport or daily handling, so what is clean stays clean. Emergent Vision Technologies have announced they are releasing 3 additional camera models featuring Sony Prigis S sensor technology in their bold SFP28 25GB high-speed camera series. Depending on the model, new camera offers 5.1, 8.1 and 12.4 megapixels, as well as frame rates from 192 to 269 fps. Thanks to the Sony Prigis S back illuminated pixel structure that delivers distortion-free, high imaging performance and miniaturization, these new camera models also deliver double the frame rate as previous generations. Neousys technology announced new ruggedized edge AI inference platform Nuvo 7166GC, powered by NVIDIA T4 GPU-S, for high-performance AI inference at the edge. The ability to process localized data guarantees response time and can dramatically reduce the data volume uploaded to the cloud. In the cassette module, there is also an additional PCI Express 16 slot for a second add-on card installation for application flexibility. IDS announced that rolling shutter CMOS sensor IMX1A3 is also available in board-level version. The Sony rolling shutter sensor features BSI technology. Backside illumination makes optimum use for the captured light, enabling exceptional image quality with very low noise, even in low light conditions. IDS announced that uEye CP cameras are now available with Sony polarisation sensor. The global shutter CMOS sensor IMX250MZR with integrated on-pixel polarizer from the Sony Prigis family ensures better object detection in cases of low contrast or reflective light. It can also be used to easily detect scratches on surfaces or the distribution of stress within transparent objects.